Okay, today is now June 14th. I am guessing that it's probably been around a week since I've worked on it. But I'm back in Chapel Hill. I just got back from the beach. The best thing about being back in my room is like I have 2 monitors, which really speeds things up, and plus I have my standing desk, so I don't have to be working on my kitchen table all the time. So honestly, I'm thinking things will move a lot faster since this is just a much better working environment. Basically today I will be wiring up the answer choices and trying to get those to work. I'm also going to implement the logic for the result screen for when you actually tap on one of these, and then that would be a pretty ambitious goal for today.
I think she corny, get your money, girl, don't worry. Says I'm garbage, just ignores me. Wish my shit was more top 40.
Things are going pretty well, I guess. Hopefully this will help you guys kind of see what I'm doing. So basically what I did just now is I created a new widget called results.dart, and I think it's a stateless widget. And here in the main Dart file, right now I'm just showing the result widget, but really what it should be is like, if the question was answered, show result, else do show the quiz one. Obviously right now I just hard-coded like all of this text, but eventually this needs to be passed into the constructor. So overall, pretty good progress. All right, it is now 2:22. I've made some pretty good progress, and it's slow progress though. So basically, I've just refactored the code so that now, before I just had a list of answers, and they were just all strings, but instead now I'm basically making each answer a map. As you can see, I've printed them here. Oops. So this right here is the list of answer maps. So these are all randomly, generated, and then associated with each one is a true or false, true being that this is the right answer. I basically just created a new string list of the used keys, and basically before I ever add it in here, once I add something, I add it just to this used keys, and I just use the used keys to check if it's already in there. There's no visual changes, but I'm gonna go ahead and implement the on pressed function for when these buttons get pressed. What's up, guys? Mike is here with me.
Hey, what's good?
I was just venting to him. It is now 3:34, and we really faced a roadblock here. I got everything working up until this point, but basically as soon as I tried to pass the answer question function down to the answer choices widget, I keep getting this error, set state or mark needs build, call during build. And I really don't understand why I'm getting it, because I'm not calling the actual function here when I pass it down through the widget tree. So I actually don't understand why it needs to set state or mark needs build. I'm thinking I'm accidentally calling it, but I really don't think so. So I'm just gonna Google around for another, I don't know, I'm just gonna keep trying. So I guess just to summarize, I'll show you the solution. The solution definitely, I don't really understand, and that's just because I totally jumped into this without actually having like a formal, training, I guess, on Flutter. But basically, I learned about this void callback thing, which I kind of got to work before, just because I was using like a function and passing this to the function. But I found out about this typedef thing, and you can specify the type of callback, and then here you basically just set it to accept a parameter, and then here in the map function I kind of do this weird, see, this is just a pure lack of Dart knowledge here, but basically it seems like it looks like I would be running this function, but then that's where I actually use this answer question, which is of type this boolean callback, which I define up here, And then for the actual answer choice, I thought I would have to define it in here, but here I actually can just do function. Really, I really don't. I really don't know what's going on, just to be honest. But it seems to be working. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've all been waiting for. It is 6:19 p.m. Sorry, I was getting hungry still. Got some juicy kava. But essentially, I have finished the app. Let me turn this up. It's in dark mode right now, but I'm pretty bad at this shit. Alright, so as you can see, whoa. It's working. I think the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm just gonna try and add app icons to my Flutter app. A little fox. Okay, so now the app icons have been generated using this appicon.com or .co. You just put in the 1024 by 1024 icon image, and it just goes ahead and so this is the original, and it goes ahead and just gets that in the various sizes for the various devices. Here we are. That's my app. I've got my cute little foxy icon right there. Alright, today's Sunday. The main goal for today is just gonna put my app on the App Store. I think it's ready to go, so that'll be today. Check in when it's done. So, new location. I totally forgot to finish this video. So it's been around a month since the last check-in, and my app is now on both the App Store as well as the Play Store. So this is what it looks like on the App Store. And then on the Play Store, it is on there as well. I basically just used this previewed.app website to make these marketplace images. And it was $100 to put it on the iOS App Store and $25 to put it on the Android store. And it's doing relatively well, 4.7 stars, 13 reviews. So give it a download. It's been a pretty fun project.
Yeah.